All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Today we did the full interior detail on the, I forgot what it was now. What was it?
Mercedes.
Let me write this down real quick. Stop! My name is Johnny Hernandez and welcome to Epic Auto Detailing. What's up, guys? We got this Mercedes in for a front window tint. As you can see, he's putting in the Sopro. So, you know, you don't mess anything up on the electronics, right? Oh, sorry, 2 phones, my bad. Businessman. And then we're gonna do a full interior and exterior detail on this thing after he's done. We have this Mazda in for a full interior detail. First step is removing all the mats. So we take out all the mats first, to the side. I pressure wash the rubber ones that are right there. Go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, we're here in this Dodge Ram 1500. We're about to go drop off to Weston Kia, which is a dealership that we do the details for every day pretty much. About to go drop off this one and pick up 2, which is a Ford F350 and a Jeep Gladiator. We did a full engine bay, interior, exterior details, get it prepped out for the client that they're gonna sell it to. They have a client for this truck actually in 20 minutes at 12 o'clock. Short enough to take a look at it, so we have to hurry up and get it done. And one thing I want to talk about is pretty much how we're slow right now. It's like this all the time during this time of year. December, January, February, March and all that. It's pretty slow because of the weather. People don't want to get the cars detailed. Like, one thing I like to do is just focus on doing specials on Facebook, doing like a giveaway, like our page, comment, friend, and share the post. So that's another reach that you haven't gotten it. That was a pretty good idea to do. But when it did snow, I did a special for exterior just so that people can get all that snow stuff off their car, and same with the salt. Underneath the carriage, we special wash it, use a tool to special wash underneath it to get it cleaned up. But that's one thing you guys can do as well. You gotta just be smart with it and see what kind of specials and deals you can give away do during slow times. And yeah, we're almost there to the dealership. So yeah, a lot of dealers will try to take advantage of you if you're like a mobile detailer or you're starting out. Yeah, it's cool to get those jobs at first, but they always want the cheapest amount for the good quality, but then they don't bring you enough work for you to offer them that kind of dealer rate. I used to do it, obviously, but now I can't. Dealerships need to send me at least like 10 cars a month to get that dealer rate. If they don't, then they gotta pay normal retail price because there's no point in doing that. And then dealerships always bounce around with details, which is kind of dumb in my opinion. Like I said before, it's always best to build their relationship with that detail company. So when the detail company grows, then you grow as well. It's a good thing to have with each other. Just how Patrick Landers, he's been doing his stuff for the past few years now, and he hit me up last minute, and I pick it up, get it done, bring it back tomorrow. Just because we have that type of relationship. So yeah, it's all about relationships, networking when it comes to business in general. All right, guys, so we're pretty much gonna set up our retail area right here. We got a bunch of P&S products, and as you can see, we're gonna be selling to people that walk in to get their cars done. So we'll go over, see what we got in. Here we got Bead Maker, if you guys ever wanna come by and get some. This, we're gonna be retailing it at 14 bucks. Then we got Terminator, which is pretty good spot cleaner if you have anything on your carpet or upholstery seats. This is gonna be 12 bucks for the pint. And then these, woo. I believe it's car soap, yeah. So this is a gallon of car soap, which is concentrated, which is good. I'd rather have this than like the wash and wax kind. That's gonna be retailed at 25 bucks for the gallon. Let's see what else here. I think this is brake buster. Yeah, brake buster for your wheels. This is gonna be retailed at 11 bucks. Let's see what else we got going on. This is, oh yeah, the dressing for the interior. So if you want like interior all shiny and nice after you get done detailing it, this is perfect for it. And that will be retailed at 12 bucks for that. This is a gallon of Bead Maker. So if you guys wanna come buy a gallon of it, this is gonna be 35 bucks for this one. And then we have a lot of stuff. Okay. We got our cleaner for just the interior express cleaner. This is what you would use to spray on a towel and just clean the whole interior surfaces. And that interior cleaner is 10 bucks. Then we got Epic, which is crazy as the name, but Epic waterless wash.
Now, this is epic.
And this is gonna be 12 bucks. And then we also got glass cleaner. The same thing, about 12 bucks for the window cleaner, which is pretty good. Oh, and then we got iron remover. This is what you spray during the wash, and that's gonna be 20 bucks for the pint for that one. And then we have the little soap, if you guys rather have, the little one. This will be 14 bucks for this one. We got more Terminator, and then I think this is leather treatment. Yep, this is the leather treatment. This will run about 12 bucks. This can last you a while too. We can also have applicator pads that we can also supply. And then Shine On, this is pretty much tire shine. This will be 12 bucks. And we got more gallons of soap here. So yeah, that's pretty much our retail stuff. We're gonna offer express interior cleaners, glass cleaners, brake cleaner, soaps, Bead Maker, which is a sealant, a wax, which is really, really good. It's more like a really good like ceramic sealant, as you can call it. Leather cleaner, iron buster. We got pretty much everything you guys need for your guys' car to clean at home. But yeah, if you guys ever need anything, just go ahead and come on by. Next week, we should already have everything set up with the shelving and everything. We're gonna offer more wiper blades for you guys' car. But yeah, appreciate everybody watching. Oh wait, we're not even there yet.
Sin City was
And that's it for our 4th episode of Epic Auto Detailing Vlogs. Thank you guys for sharing, viewing, subscribing, and liking everything so far. Appreciate you guys for the past 3 episodes. And if you guys can, please stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.